To begin, let's make a marinade. In a small mixing bowl, add 4 cloves of garlic minced, followed by 1 teaspoon of dry rosemary, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, the juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give the marinade a quick mix. We are going to stuff the chicken with 1 lemon, cut the lemon in half. Cut 1 head of garlic in half as well. We are also stuffing the chicken with a couple of rosemary sprigs. For this recipe, we are using a 6-pound whole chicken. Go ahead and remove the giblets. I know that a lot of people throw their giblets in the trash. I usually cook them alongside the chicken. Let me know what you do with your giblets. Using paper towels, remove excess moisture by patting dry your chicken. Then pour the marinade all over the chicken. With clean hands, rub the marinade all around the chicken. Using your fingers, gently lift the skin from the breast and stuff some of the marinade under the skin of the chicken. We want this chicken to be full of flavor, not just on the skin. Apply some of the marinade inside the cavity of the chicken as well. Once the chicken has been coated in the marinade, transfer to a roasting pan. Stuff the chicken with 1 full lemon, half a head of garlic, and a couple of rosemary sprigs. Pour over the chicken any marinade you have left in the bowl. Then, using kitchen string, tie the legs together. Now, cut up 6 to 8 red potatoes, or you may use baby potatoes instead. Transfer the potatoes to the pan around the chicken. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 200 degrees Celsius. Peel 3 carrots and cut them into chunks. Just like the potatoes, transfer the carrots around the chicken in the pan. Cut 1 onion into pretty large chunks as well. Place the onion on top of the potatoes and carrots. Place half a head of garlic over the vegetables. Place a couple of rosemary sprigs around the chicken. Drizzle some olive oil over the potatoes. Season the potatoes and the carrots with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Apply kosher salt over the chicken as well for that crispy, salty skin. You may sprinkle some of that black pepper over the chicken as well. For best results, use an oven-safe thermometer. Insert the thermometer into the deepest part of the breast. Once the chicken is fully cooked at 165 degrees Fahrenheit, the alarm will go off. Now, roast your chicken at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 90 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And if everything goes according to plan, your lemon and herb roasted chicken would look like this. Now let the chicken rest for 15 minutes before carving. Once the chicken has rested, transfer to a serving platter along with the veggies. And it looks like now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, lemon and herb roasted chicken. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.
Yeah.